All right, everyone, here we are with ticker symbol CTRM, Castor Maritime Inc. And before we jump into this chart, I want to say welcome to all the first-time viewers and investors. Welcome to the channel. Invest for tomorrow. To all the subscribers, welcome back. And as we jump into this chart, I do want every single investor to be aware of the fact that I have a new ticker symbol that you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add to your watch list moving forward. It's a small semiconductor company that has been growing exponentially, and there's so much more potential and room going into the year and the coming years in this sector overall and for this company's growth and expansion. So stay tuned till the end for more information on it. So here we are with CTRM, right? Castor Maritime Inc. has been hanging out sideways. This could be a good thing and a bad thing. Bad thing because it's not moving much more up, and it's also in the risk of falling into bearish territory as it has today, and having that tug of war back and forth, making it more difficult for the bulls to gain some control. So it hasn't moved by much, but these points are still very important. And the 50-day moving average is now above the price at 66.55 to be exact. I can't land on it, but 66.55 is the 50-day moving average, and I want every single investor to keep that in mind moving forward. Now, we have some important points here beyond our resistance and support. If this breaks through resistance, the next one I would really pay close attention to, which is the highest point in this sideways movement, is up here at 75.87, or if you want to round it up, 76 cents, or round it down 75. So give or take 75 cents to 76 cents. Very important resistance level to push up further into bullish territory. Now, if this support is broken through, the next support level is down here at 59 cents. And then I would pay close attention to 49 and the lowest 47 for now. There's more to look at based off the history of the chart, but these are the most important right now. 53, 49, 47, and then all the way up here at 59 to begin with. But before getting to any of those numbers, the first support level and the next one to look at is 61.40. This is the first one to worry about before worrying about any of the others. But this is a very important point to let us know if the bulls are fighting to bring themselves back up, if it breaks through it or slightly does, and how it hangs out between 61 and 59 cents, or if the bears are breaking through this fairly fast and pulling this one down faster to newer lows and new support levels as the days and the chart unravels. So super important to keep that in mind and pay close attention to how the stock is reacting if it breaks through 61.40. I want every single investor to be aware of that. Now, on the other hand, we have our resistance, and that's 69.13. Now, if the bulls accomplish breaking through this, they accomplished two things. They broke through the 50-day moving average, getting themselves back into bullish territory, and they've broken through the first resistance level that can start to pull them upwards into bullish territory and newer highs. But I want every single investor to be aware that the resistance level that truly can pull them away is 75.87, or like I said, 75 cents to 76 cents, give or take, to start to work their way up deeper into bullish territory to hit newer resistance levels and newer highs. But before getting there, they need to break through the 50-day moving average and 69.13, turn it into a support, and start to work their way up to newer highs. As always, if you found this video helpful and informative, please do so and subscribe. Don't forget to click on the bell to turn on all notifications and not miss a single video that I post. Share this with your friends and community, and don't forget to hit the like button to let me know you watched this video. Stay tuned till the end because I have a new ticker symbol you won't want to miss, and you definitely want to add it to your watch list. So for everyone that has stayed to this point in the video, the ticker symbol I'm about to share with you guys is in the semiconductor sector. Now, it's been growing exponentially, and I believe there's so much more room going into the coming years for this company, and their market cap is so small compared to its competitors, and I believe that as that market cap continues to grow, the stock price has all the potential to grow as well. So let's go ahead and look at it. It's UMC, United Microelectronics. Now, in the last year, it grew from around down here, $2.50 almost, all the way up to $10.70. Now, this hasn't been in a year. This is 2020 in June, so this has been only like 7 to 8 months. So it hasn't even been a year. I look forward to seeing where this is going to be in the next 4 months, 5 months, to then compare it to those numbers. But we are seeing it pull back. I completely understand. I apologize to every single viewer that I didn't come across this one anytime sooner. If not, I would have been talking about it, and I probably would have had a position already. So right now, this is on my watch list, and I'm keeping a really close eye on it. But there's so much potential moving forward as long as this doesn't just pull back and eat away and end up back at $5. It's going to be a good one to watch if there's some consolidation, or it pulls back down to around $7 and some change, and we find some consolidation within this area, and then earnings, and then all the different catalysts moving forward going into the year, and the growth continues. This stock has potential, especially once we start to see the market cap rise. So we're currently at $9.48 for it, and the revenue has grown in the last couple of years. I mean, it went from 4 to 5, and then it went back to 4, and then 6 this last year, 2020. Now, net income was fluctuating also, and that was 300 million 2017, 2018, 200, then 300 again in 2019, and then here we are with the largest amount in the last 4 years, or 3 years better said. We're on the 4th year now, actually, and that is 900 million, right? Almost 1 billion in revenue. Excuse me, net income. Revenue was 6 billion. And when we go to the quarterly, you can see how much growth it's had over time. This stock has a lot more room, especially if it continues to grow in revenue and profit margins. It's going to be awesome, because the more a stock or company profits, the more it reflects in the stock price, and the more it reflects in the stock price, the higher it goes, and the market cap is going to grow with it. So if you compare this to its competitors, there's a lot of room still for this market cap, and there's a lot of room for the market share of the semiconductor sector for this company in the years to come. I definitely recommend doing your research and due diligence. I'm not here to tell you guys to buy, sell, or hold any positions on UMC or any stock that I share here in the channel, Invest for Tomorrow. I'm just here to enlighten you guys on stocks that are being overlooked, and they're not hyped. They're nice and quiet, but they show organic and healthy growth. If I say ever a stock is speculative, that's different. But I don't see any speculation here. I see nothing but healthy and organic growth, especially when you look at the income statements and financials that are showing the same upward trend, and the chart is showing it. That's a good correlation. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I look forward to seeing your guys' thoughts on this one, and let's make some money.